those two together and you get Ijeoma, safe journey, or good trip, good journey, right? So Ijeoma it could also be something that someone says to you right before they bid you farewell. Like you're saying, I hope you have a good trip, I hope you have a safe journey, things like that. But basically, Ijeoma was a fitting name for her because we always wish her well in her travels, and she said that traveling was a recurring theme in her life. Ijeoma. So Ijeoma's names give them the power to be adventurous, worldly, and free spirits. Share this video with all the Ijeomas that you know. Thanks. So what do you think? Is that a fitting name for her? Did I get the translation right? Let me know in the comment section